how to apply for Section 8 housing in New Jersey. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Section 8 is a government program that helps low-income families and individuals afford housing. If you qualify, you will receive a voucher that covers part of the rent for a private-owned home or apartment. So who qualifies? To qualify, your income must be below 50% the area's median income. This limit varies based on your country and family size. For example, a single person must earn less than $25,200 per year. A family of 4 must earn $35,950 or less per year. Some groups like people with disabilities and families with children may get priority. So how to apply? You will need to contact your local public housing authority (PHA). You can find a list of PHAs on the HUD website or by visiting hud.government program offices. Each PSA has its own application process, so check their website or call for details. The application usually involves filling out a form online in person and providing proof of income, identification, and other documents. Some PHAs may also require an interview. Due to high demand, many PHAs have waiting lists, some open, some close. Be sure to check the status regularly and apply as soon as the list opens. If approved, you will receive a voucher to help pay rent. You will then need to find a landlord who accepts Section 8, sign a lease, and your PHA will inspect the unit to ensure it meets safety and quality standards. For more detail, visit the HUD website or your local housing authority's site. Other programs like public housing or rental assistance may also be available. Thanks for watching.